Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Uche here. If you want to start a profitable real estate business in Nigeria here, I want you to pay attention in this video. You'll get something that will help you start a profitable real estate business in Nigeria with zero capital. So stay tuned and make sure you watch the video to the end. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time I post or share a content, you will be the first to be notified. So let's get straight to the business. Now, you see, the real estate marketing or real estate business in Nigeria is a very huge one and it's still growing. I could remember when group of peoples are forming joint ventures, buying vast lands, naming it this estate, that estate, and that has been the order of the day now. So Realtors makes a lot of money every month. People who knows their onion, people who knows what they are doing, they make a lot of money online. So I will share some steps with you that will help you start a profitable real estate business in Nigeria. Yes. So I want you to pay attention to this video and grab something out of it. Not just watching, but after watching, after listening to the video, not just this video, any video you find useful, after watching it, please make sure you implement what you've watched. Make sure you implement what you've learned from that particular lesson or from that particular training or video. Now, step one is that it is a business. Yes, say how to start real estate business. It is a business, so you must take it as a business and treat it as one. If you handle or follow a proper steps of starting a real estate business, a real estate business can change your life overnight. So you must treat it as a business venture and not just a side hustle business. That is the first step. That's what you need to have in mind, that this is a business I'm starting. It is not a side hustle business. It is a business that I'm going to put in a lot of time. It is a business that I'm going to put in a lot of energy, a lot of resources to grow. So that is the first thing you need to keep in mind when starting real estate business. It is not going to be easy. I won't lie, I'm not going to paint words for you. It's not going to be easy. You see, I think that is law of inertia. If you try to push an object that is in a static position, for you to push that object out of that place, you need to apply a great force let's say for example, want to push a car. If that a car is in a place, for you to push that car, you need to apply a higher force to push that car. Once that car starts rolling, once it starts rolling, the force you use to push that car when it was in a static place will not be equal to the force you will use in pushing it when the car starts rolling. So you need a lot of time, you need a lot of energy to push your business from the starting stage. When this business starts running, you you will see that that pressure, that stress, that energy you used at the initial time will be lesser. So that is it. Step two, you need to pick a name that is unique, a name that is easy to pronounce, a name that people can remember easily. You see, this will help you in your personal or corporate branding. It will help you in in your branding. And remember, in the step one, we said you need to treat it as a business. Now, since it must be treated as a business, you also need to register the business, the name you've chosen. You also need to register it. Clients will deal with you more, will like associate with you more when they see that your business is registered. They will like to associate with you, they will buy from you when they see that your business is registered and you are treating it as a business than when you are just an agent, a side agent. You don't have location, you don't have business. So this is the second step. Now let's move over to the third step. We say you are just starting. That is why I said how to start a profitable real estate business without capital. You don't need to go and buy lands to start a real estate business. All you need to do is register with a reliable real estate company that have a verifiable estate properties for sale. You can register with more than two, more than three companies. When registering with these companies, you negotiate commissions with them. I know that when it comes to selling lands and some, in fact, when it comes to properties, each property you sell, you have 10% of it. You have 10%. So you need to register with real estate, not just real estate, but a reliable and good company, good real estate company that you will partner with, you will work with. You don't need any money to invest in property. Yes, you don't need money to invest in properties. In fact, there are times you can meet a property, someone who wants to sell his or her property. If the person want to sell these properties or a land in a, let's say he or she wants to sell that land for a plot for 500,000, just for example. I know uh, getting 500,000 land now will be very difficult. So the person wants to sell the land for 500,000. Hmm? And you know your onion, you know what you're doing. You can tell this person, look, give me this land for credit, and I'm going to give you 700,000 or 650,000. I'm going to pay you 700 or 650,000 per plot. You, both of you will reach an agreement that in 3 months' time, that in 4 months' time, or 5 months' time, I'm going to give you so. I'm going to pay you for this land at this rate. If the person agrees, you need to do everything possible, everything humanly possible to deliver. See how it works. So that is it. Now, step number 4 is you must learn about land titles, documents, landmark, measurement, survey plan, projection, ongoing development, and a lot of things you need to learn. Yes, there are documents you need. If someone is buying a property, you need to know a particular document that will be issued for that particular land. You need to know the landmark, where the land is located. Is it close to school? Is the land close to market? Is it close to airport? The surveyor plan, is it 100 by 50 or 100 by 100? Projections, what exactly is going to be happening in that place in the next 5 years? What exactly is going to be happening in that place in the next 10 years? Ongoing development. There is a airport project going on, school project going on in that area. So these are the things you need to know. These are the information you need to gather when starting a real estate business, so that you also need to find out some questions that are being asked by clients or prospects when they want to buy property. So that is step number 4. Now, the step number 5, like I always say, visibility is very, very important. You need to be visible to a lot of people to be able to have a huge list of prospects you can make presentations to. So you need to register with a good property listing platform. You list your properties online with very clear pictures and details about the property you want to sell. You can achieve this by visiting the property location to take pictures and take all the necessary information you need to sell that property. Yes, and the locals.ng is one of the platform I recommend for you to list and sell your product. Yes, locals.ng. So if you follow these steps and implement them properly, you will find yourself climbing the ladder of success in the real estate business. Yes. If you find this video useful, please like, comment, and share so that YouTube is going to show this video to other people who need this kind of information. Yeah. For listing your properties online, go to www.locals.ng and list your properties there. Yeah, it's a very nice platform where you can buy and sell properties and other things that are related to properties. So thank you for watching. Do not forget, if you have any question, leave your comment below. I'm going to attend to every question I find in the comment section. Yes, and share so that YouTube will show this video to a large number of people. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.